Hi guys, Dorimori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing and try on video. I'm going to show you everything I got from Sezane's March 20th drop. I'm very excited because this drop features one of my all-time favorite prints. This one. I'm going to be packing a few of these items with me on my trip to Europe. I'm about 5 days away. I'm so excited. For those of you who don't know, I'm a travel photographer. I work with magazines, destinations, and brands to create marketing campaigns for them. I have my own travel blog. If you don't follow my travel account and you love travel, definitely check it out. I'm gonna link all of it in the description of this box. But I am shooting 2 projects between Paris and London, and I decided to extend my stay with 2 extra weeks to develop personal projects of mine. I'm gonna visit Sezane's London boutique. I'm gonna do a shopping vlog from there. I also am looking to create a shopping vlog from around Paris and London, featuring multiple brands. So if you have favorite boutiques and brands in both London and Paris that you think I should know about or you want to see on this channel, let me know in the let me know in the comment section below. I love discovering like shopping destinations and stores based on friends' recommendations is the best way to go. I mean, if you have like restaurant recommendations, I'm open to that as well. I'm just so excited to be going to Paris and to London, especially London. I haven't been in so long. Anyways, you might have seen me style a few of these pieces already. Unfortunately, YouTube still takes me longer than I want. So if you want to discover content as soon as I create it, definitely join me on Facebook. I share posts on there daily on how I style items, things related to personal fashion and style. Link is in the description below. Also, my small Instagram account is a great way to connect on day-to-day basis. That link is also in the description box. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Now let's get to work and review all of these beautiful items. This here is the Cappuccino Cardigan, size extra small, 100% cotton, made in Italy. We've previously seen this design in navy. That's the first color that became available. However, I do think that the ecru showcases the beauty of the knit better. In an earlier video when I got the Kyle cardigan, I was kind of like toying with the idea of only keeping one of the two because of the ecru color. However, seeing them side by side, I think I'm gonna keep both because the cut is really different. The Kyle is short sleeve and it's very form-fitting. It has more of like a retro vibe, and the Cappuccino, you have this more like square, more like boxy cut. It's more casual, flowy. You can just French tuck it in jeans and go out the door. It's very easy, and I can see myself wearing both enough to justify the space in my closet. This here is the Carolina skirt, size 34, my usual size. The cut is exactly the same as the previous Carolina skirts. I have the burgundy one, which I absolutely love. This print is turning out to be one of my favorites by Sezane. I just love the yellow and the green, and I really love that there is a darker background to work with. You just have a lot of options when it comes to styling with a print like this. The skirt is light and flowy, the length is perfect. It's a mini skirt, but it's not too short by any means. And now the hardest decision for me is deciding if I should keep the skirt or the mini dress. I think there is a lot of overlap when it comes to styling of these 2 pieces. They are somewhat interchangeable, not all the way, but like a lot of looks can be recreated with either of the pieces. However, they have their individual charm as well, and I am really torn. These are the Adrian shorts, size 34, which is my usual size for Sezane bottoms. And I really love these. They remind me of the Jacques pants, but short, perfect for summer. I was very surprised when one of you told me that these shorts were actually released before. They were part of a previous collection, and they were even part of the archives last year. Now, that was a really big news for me because I somehow completely missed this design. I don't remember even seeing it. So it's hard for me to comment on, like, is this the exact same design or is it like an improved cut? I am not sure. But regardless of that, I really like these shorts. I am going to keep them because I think they add to a niche of my closet, which is shorts that are not denim, that are on the lighter side and that are brightly colored. I don't have a lot of those, so adding these and calling it a day. This here is the Francisco top, size extra extra small. It is made out of 80% cotton and 20% polyamide. It's simply gorgeous. I don't know what other word to use. It's so delicate. I love the thin straps. I love the low cut back and all the details of the knit. Gorgeous. Simply mwah, chef's kiss. Now, because of its design, you can't really wear a bra with it, or at least I have not found a bra that will work, because you know the back is really low and the straps are so thin. I am thinking the way to go, because the knit is, you know, fairly open. You know, if I show you up close, you can see my hand through the knit. So the way to go is to wear nipple covers underneath, I think, and that's what I'm gonna do. I think it's worth it because it's just so playful, so flirty. It goes well with every single piece of summer bottoms that I have, like skirts or shorts, even with these shorts. Perfect. Definitely keeping it. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece. This here is the Margot Dress, size 34, which is my usual size from Sezane. The print is probably one of my all-time favorite prints by the brand. It kind of reminds me of the Russian doll print, but the scale and the density of the print makes it more spring forward, and it's really hard, in my opinion, when you have a black background and as you have here, to make it so it's like very subtle. And I think they have achieved that. You have more yellows and greens that kind of pop at first when you look at it. I'm so excited. I have so many ideas on how to style this dress. The length of it is great. You know, Sezane is famous for doing mini dresses and skirts way too short. This one is more on the conservative side of a mini. It's a perfect length. You have a zipper that is here hidden on the side for a good fit around your body without the dress being too tight. And then at the back you have these buttons. They are kind of along the neckline, again, to assure that the fit over here is nice. The dress is 100% viscose, is very light and very, very airy. This here is the jean dress, size 34. It's 100% cotton. You have white ecru background and black flowers. It's really soft to the touch. I think it runs a little big, in my opinion. I am 34 and it is a lot of extra space up here around the chest, but that's also because I don't have big chest. If your bust is bigger, I think this will be more flattering. Another thing I am really sad about is that there are no pockets. I feel like a shirt dress is the perfect opportunity to throw in some pockets because it's really casual and you have the space, so why not? But other than that, it's a really, really cute classic piece. You don't have to worry that it's too trendy, you know, that it's too colorful. This is one of those like classics that you can add to many capsule wardrobes if that's what you're going after. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of today's selection? Which pieces were your favorite? If you have recommendations for me for Paris and London, also please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.